We are going to begin with ESP32 provided examples. So this is an example for LED blink. So it's quite long code for just blinking. So first I'm going to explain this example, then I'm going to write simplified code for it. So it starts here. Entry starts from app main. It configures LED, which is here. Reset pin, then set direction, then it's going to blink and keep its LED state in this variable, then a delay in infinite loop. So let's write the simplified code now. We are going to include these two headers. First is for GPIO obviously, and second is for task delay, which is like delay in Arduino. And there is main function void main, and we configure LED. So first is direction, which means input or output, but first we need this also, GPIO reset pin. We need one more thing, which is our LED pin. So suppose our LED pin is on GPIO number 2. So this lines means reset GPIO state to default and also disconnect other peripherals from it, and then set our GPIO input or output. Just like in Arduino it's pin mode, and it's here set direction. So direction is like GPIO mode output, and then it's done actually. But there's one more thing, you can enable pull up or pull down. So set this pull up enable or pull down enable, and then the main loop, infinite loop, just like loop in Arduino. So we also need a variable to track current LED state. So let's call it state, and then like digital write, it's like digital write, set level to state, and then reverse the state. So, and yes, delay function, v task delay 500 quote tick period ms. So it's not actually a delay, it's freertos function which instructs like I got 500 milliseconds free time, you can do other task in it.